Good morning. Do you remember, guys? I said once, here is a bed, and now it is here. Big reveal. Oh, that's my window. Holy Christ. It's a little bit messy inside of my car, but I don't really care because I got really good bed. I have here some plates and some pillow, and I really enjoyed my first night in my Berlingo. And okay, it was beautiful night, really good night, good dreams. The next I think I put here some more curtains and buy some inside of the yes. What else? Good. I have here lamp, double lamp. It was like 0 degrees in night, but I was so good, warm blanket, and yes, and it's fully. But I wanna make I make one box more, and then it's full 200 centimeter wide, and yes, can näed mu casa su casa. Alrighty, next episode gonna be with curtains. It's a little bit messy inside of my car, but I don't really care because I have bed in my car. Alrighty, and a beautiful sea. Let's see what life brings. Thank you. Bye.